Indian Prairie is a great school district because in part of our staff, our community, and the great work that is done by our students. We are a destination district. People want to come to Indian Prairie, and we have a lot here about which we can be very proud. Our district has one of the lowest per pupil spending compared to the state, compared to our other school districts. And we still have one of the highest SATs compared to our comparable school districts. Indian Prairie just celebrated its 50th anniversary. How do we prepare for another 50 years so that we have the best environment for students and for our staff and for our community? That's what we want to think about going forward.
The average age of the district's facilities is now over 30 years old. And while this creates some challenges with district infrastructure, it also creates challenges within the classroom and learning environments that our teachers and students are in on a regular basis.
I believe we're at a crossroads right now. Several other neighboring schools and other districts that I visit are making upgrades to their facilities, to their infrastructure that our district has not been able to do. It's more of just trying to tread water.
Safety and security in District 204 is our #1 priority. We realize that it's a must that we secure our schools if we want to provide an optimal learning experience for our students and for our staff. Secure our vestibules to provide more technology to our schools. We also hope to add additional staff that has a security focus to their position.
We are working in a building that specifically here at Waubonsie Valley High School that is needing some real improvements and things put in so that it can keep up with the ever-demanding changes that students need to be successful. This is an example of the infrastructure needs here at Waubonsie. We have pipes that are frozen, so we had to create new shower heads. Our tile is falling apart, and this locker room space is just way too small to meet the needs of our students. In our building and other buildings as old as Waubonsie, our stairwells don't service our students as well as they should. They are too steep and they are servicing other areas of the building at the same time.
We're the upper gym of Hill Middle School, where the roof is still an original roof to the building, about 40 years old. This roof leaks, it creates warping and distortions on the gym floor.
This elevator only goes to the second floor that only leads to the upper gym. So one of the things that we're looking for is for ADA accommodations to be added to Hill Middle School so that each and every student has access to their education.
Here at Owen Elementary, for kids in wheelchairs or even just little kids who have fine motor and motor issues, it's not adapted to their needs. They're coming with adapted seating to sit in throughout the day, and we simply do not have space to store it anywhere else but in the hallway. Things in the bathroom, everything's high, nothing's automatic, so it's really hard, again, for that fine motor control. There's not even a handicap accessible button for them to open the doors.
Indian Prairie is a great school system. We should be very proud of what it provides to our community. However, we need to be all in on serving Indian Prairie for the next 50 years. When schools flourish, we all flourish. What I want to ensure is that our schools are always flourishing, because that means our community will flourish.
Now is the time to invest in a safer,
Stronger
204.